Welcome to Simply Painting. I'm Frank Clark and I'm standing here just across from Clifton Town in County Galway in Ireland. And behind me is the most wonderful panoramic view, but how on earth would we paint it? Anyway, before we come to that, let's have a look at it. We start with the Skye Road and we come down to the old Coast Guard station. From there we pass by the Yacht Club. You'll notice the lovely white cottages on the way, right down to Clifton Town itself with its twin spires. From there we sweep on to the mighty 12 Bens. The reason they're called the 12 Bens, of course, is because there are 12 of them. Well, wasn't that a beautiful scene? But how on earth would you paint it? Well, there's an easy way, and here it is. What we do is we take a little piece of cardboard, cut a hole in it, and make a viewfinder. Now what I mean by that is that we can look through this piece of cardboard exactly the same as if we had a camera. We can look through, see or pick out the picture that we want to paint. We can search about on the scene. It blots out the other part that we don't want to paint. So why don't we try this, as I said, go back to the studio and have a go at it. Well, can you guess what we picked to paint from that huge panorama? Well, I'm not going to tell you yet, because until we go through the materials, we're not going to talk about the picture. So there. So let's go through the materials, starting with the watercolours. There are 8 of them, and here they are. Raw sienna, alizarin crimson, lemon yellow, light red, burnt umber, Payne's grey, ultramarine and cobalt blue. And for this lesson we're going to take away those 3 there. No blue, no grey. We have some white gouache just in case, we may not need it. Next we have our 2 brushes. We have our Simply Painting detail brush, as we call it, and we have the rigger, the small brush. We have water, we have the pad to clean the brush on and to control the water on the large brush, and we have the paper. Now you'll notice this time there's something different about the paper.